again, another unboxing from Shapeways, apn201 design stuff. This time it's so small, I just film this quickly with one camera. I don't want to do multi-camera editing on the chip. So, as usual, the shipping notes, and then stuff starts coming up. A couple of these different colors. Let's see if it works. I was someone had been making like a slinky with traditional 3D printer, like this kind of what's called injection 3D printer, and I was seeing if I can do something similar with the powder printing, which of course you can make much finer lines and so on, but somehow I have designed, instead of slinky, some kind of double helix form that is partly stuck together. Let's see if I can open it. How much I dare to break, but it's really small. I think it's 0.7. I can't remember how many layers I made, but many. And I don't know if I dare to, it looks sad. It's the V2 rocket, which I made earlier when this skeleton was riding on it. Nazi secret weapon. To open it, but it's kind of as a some kind of sperm in there. This is not even open, so maybe that's, if I give it to a kid, there is some kind of cocaine coming out of it. Maybe that's the thing, that when you get it, it looks like a solid rocket, but then you can start playing with it and it will go like a sloppy penis, like the red one. But funny that the green one, that there is this stuff inside. Then this one, seemingly broken. This was supposed to be car that is movable, but seemingly I have had some problem in the design. The wheels are not turning and the front wheel is missing. Okay, who cares? It's still a model. It's supposed to be the delivery van of the future, like a pickup truck of the future. It's kind of funny because, as you can see, it actually looks quite old school. Okay, it's always when you get the first models, it's always a little bit shit. See if I can make it working, and I can maybe glue this. Yeah, I can see the front axle has been not long enough, so I have a design mistake there. Back axle seems good. So the other front wheel is just attached because it's too close to the fender. So it's attached to the fender, and the back axle, it should work, but it doesn't. Okay, I will glue it, and then it's like a static model of the future delivery truck. Then I have two crosses. Probably you can't see it now in the close-up, but this is a kind of replica of a Mannerheim cross. That was the Finnish, the highest award, military award that you can get in the, or honor in the Second World War. It's kind of interesting. It has a swastika shape here. Finland was using swastika actually a little bit before Nazi Germany, and this cross, this exact cross with the swastika is still in the president flag, Google Finland president flag, and you can see the swastika. Shapeways didn't want to send this to me because they informed that it's against their content policy. They are not printing swastikas, but then I needed to prove that this is a Finnish medal and it's not connected to the Nazi swastika, so I got it. Oi, 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 fuck, this is cool. This is another cross. That's the lion from the Finnish coat of arms, and it's a quite similar cross than that one. Actually, it might look cooler in unpolished, because I think it's now premium silver or polished silver, so you're losing a little bit of detail, but yeah, that's so cool. Quite much cooler than the normal Finnish lion thing that people are wearing. Now I just need to see how can I'm trying to put an enamel, a plastic or like a cold enamel on this, and that's a little bit risky because I can ruin the whole thing, and it's silver. So how can I get the enamel off if I ruin it? I don't know, but let's see. That's it, folks.